Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will discuss what are data structures and why they are important. Data structures are just ways of storing information in an organized manner so that certain types of operations can be performed efficiently. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing scary, as simple as that. All we want is given some data like numbers, text, or any other type of information, we just want to store them in some organized way so that we can perform operations like accessing some information, modifying some information, or deleting some data efficiently. For example, in this image, we can see that there are people waiting for their turn to get into the building to watch the latest premiere. Now, if everybody tries to get into the building at the same time, then obviously there will be chaos and fights, and it's not fair. But if they stand in a line so that the one who came first would be the first one to enter the building, then it would be organized, there won't be any chaos, and also it would be fair for everyone. So, such an arrangement of people or entities is commonly referred as a queue in the data structures world. Don't worry, we will explore queues in detail in subsequent lessons, and I promise you would be fluent with it. In the next video, we will see what are data types and how are they different from data structures. Until then, happy learning.